Welcome to everybody. And now I will overhand to two professors or more professors which will present the TUM School of Life Science in more detail to become more attractive to foreign scientists, students as professors. Hopefully we can welcome in the next years a lot of them here in Freising at TUM.
Hi, my name is Kai Schneitz and I'm a professor of plant developmental biology at the School of Life Sciences here at TUM. I'm also a member of the Collaborative Research Center SFB 924 and I'm vice spokesperson of the research unit Plant Morphodynamics. My lab uses the model plant Arabidopsis thaliana to study how plants shape their organs. So one line of research is more towards cell biology, and we are studying the cell surface signaling mechanisms controlling cell wall remodeling during growth and stress responses. In the second line of research, we're interested in ovule development. So one particularly fascinating aspect of the ovule resides in its intricate shape. So we apply advanced machine learning-based image processing and computational methods to generate three-dimensional digital ovules. We then use the impressive analytical power of digital ovules to study how genes control the 3D architecture of this organ. I'm also involved in running the Center of Advanced Light Microscopy, or short CALM, a school support unit here on campus. So I'm serving as the coordinator and head of the advisory board, and my colleague Ramon Torres serves as head and managing director of the unit. So CALM provides ready and affordable access to high-end light microscopy with a focus on confocal microscopy and on microspectrometry. So for example, if you're interested in Fred flame approaches, or if you want to study the fluorescence anisotropy of your protein of interest. CALM introduces the scientists to the instruments, provides help in designing the appropriate experiments. CALM also is involved in teaching high-end light microscopy at the undergraduate and graduate level.
TUM holds great greenhouse facilities for semi-controlled experiments, and at TUM Mesa, environmental simulation chambers for exact trials. On top of that, we have field stations where we can study our plants in real-life situations and do phenotyping on a field scale level. Beyond that, TUM holds core facilities for molecular omics and live cell imaging, so that we have access to state-of-the-art and innovative research facilities. When it comes to coordinated research interests, TUM runs a collaborative research center on the mechanisms of how plants generate and stabilize yield in different environments. This is led by Klaus Schwechheimer. On top of that, we are going to initiate new consortia in the area of plant cell biology and how plants interact with cues from the outside, and on the genetics of plant microbe interactions. This actually shows the focus of TUM on understanding how plants interact with a changeable environment.
My name is Caroline Gutjahr and I'm professor of plant genetics at the TUM School of Life Science. In my research group, we try to understand the molecular mechanisms of the development and function of avascular mycorrhiza symbiosis, a symbiosis between about 80% of land plants and nutrient-delivering soil fungi. We are very privileged here because we have a plant technology center which supplies us with controlled phytochambers as well as a large greenhouse facility which is very large for German university standards. And this allows not only to grow small plants but also large plants such as maize and even trees. And there are also field sites which can be used for field experiments. Although our campus is very large, most plant molecular biology groups are in close geographic proximity, either in the same building or in neighboring buildings, and this fosters interaction and collaboration.
The TUM Hot is situated at the TUM campus here, so it's very easy to reach them, also to reach the Hot and my kids quite fast. And that's also logistic-wise quite nice for the parents. The atmosphere in the hort is also very pleasant, both amongst the nursery teachers but also amongst the kids. I like the building a lot, so it reminds me always of the Pippi Longstocking villa, and they have also these thematically differentially designed rooms where the kids can be active on the one side but also find their quietness.
The TUM School of Life Science is located in Freising, a beautiful city where you can live and work in a green and family-friendly environment. Freising has 50,000 inhabitants, 10% of which are students. It has parks and gardens, and it has the oldest brewery in the world. From our campus you can actually see the Alps, and with the surrounding lakes there are many opportunities for recreation in summer and in winter. The cosmopolitan city of Munich, with our university's main campus, is just half an hour away. We are looking forward to welcome you soon at the TUM School of Life Sciences.